Well, now, oftentimes a theme in Buffalo, New York is it gets nice out. We wash the car, it looks shiny, and then snow falls from the sky, and so we're dealing with another salty car. We got salted roads, and on that bombshell, actually, welcome back to today's video. A good topic I want to cover right now. Whoa, I'm already slipping around on the ice. What I want to cover is you probably remember the last video. I'm slipping everywhere. I put on the summer rims because it was a nice 70-degree day out. Yeah, you know where I'm going with this. We are a little bit early on that. Salt-covered summer tires. We're on the Continental Extreme Contact Sport 02s. Great tire, just not really designed for the current weather conditions. I figured I could do it early. I know. You can call me dumb. I should know this living in Buffalo for so long. Well, basically, I figured that I could do it early, maybe endure some cold temperatures, of course. I obviously assumed that would happen. But I didn't really expect this stuff right here. So now I do have to go out and do some driving. It is currently 32-ish degrees outside right now. It's not too bad. This stuff sucks though, and not designed. I don't know why I'm throwing snow at tires that, aren't designed for it. So. But yeah, let's go do some driving, because I know not everybody's stupid enough to do it like I am, but maybe I could showcase to you why you don't drive summer tires in cold conditions. Now, good news for you guys, I do the stupid stuff so you don't have to. So why don't you leave a like and subscribe so you can see me do all the more stupid stuff that you probably won't want to miss, because there's going to be a lot more of it. Knowing me, of course. Driving over the snow on these bad boys. Oh man, I hope they don't get ruined in this weather, because I have a road trip to drive on these things next month actually, so pray for my tires, please, and pray for me to stop doing stupid stuff. Well, it's something I learned from and something you guys learned from, so maybe we could keep the stupid stuff up a little bit, maybe, right? Now, I find myself on the right road to the car wash. It's just all the way down there. Now, do I get a car wash? I mean, I don't know. The roads are still a little salty. I'm thinking about it. I mean, look how much salt is on the windows here. But also, it's probably just going to rain again, and I mean, that's good for washing the salt away, but maybe initially it'll probably just spew more salt at me. So, I mean, I don't really know. You guys can't even let me know in real time, can you? I do not know how this YouTube game works, apparently. Well, I have made the executive decision to make a right, and the light is red now, so I was gonna film me turning right, but the light turned red. Stupid Rivian truck stopped before I could make it up there, so yeah, I gotta save money. I go to the car wash too much. I don't think it's really worth it. I don't think this one time is gonna rust my car out. Like, I don't think that's how it works. Like, that's just not how it works. But dude, there is, again, look at all the salt on my freaking window. That's a lot of salt. It's just caked on there. It's caked on there, and then the mirror's just covered in it too. Like, I don't know. It's. I can't wait to get this thing washed, and the light's green now. If you wanted to see me turn on the right, there you go. Now, like I said, it's roughly 34 degrees now. We're gonna see how easy it is to spin these tires given the conditions. So, give me a moment here. Yeah, that was pretty easy. That was second gear, though. I mean, let's try again. Yeah, third gear spins pretty easy too. So, I mean, it doesn't grip bad given the conditions. I mean, the roads are dry. It's not the coldest out. I mean, we're above 32, so above freezing, but it's not ideal. Like, if it was the winters, they probably would not have lost traction that easily. Yeah, don't be like me and don't put your summer tires on when it's still gonna be cold outside, so. No, I don't typically see fourth gear spin, but we're gonna give it a shot. Okay, no, it passes the fourth gear test. Fourth gear grips. We're gonna try. I'm gonna try brake boosting it in fourth. Let's see what happens. All right. Building boost. Nope, no spin. Fourth is just not torquey enough. But, of course, if I downshift into third, go down to 3K. You know, the summer tires aren't too bad, given the conditions, I would say. It also helps that the sun's out and it's partially out, and the roads are probably a little bit warmer than the actual ambient. So there's that to keep in mind as well. Now, on the topic of brake boosting, I kind of want to do it in third now. Dude, I love this thing. I actually didn't spin it all there. That's crazy. I was going 45, guys. I was going 45. No. No, I love how I'm talking a lot about hopefully not damaging these tires, but then I'm going ham on them. So, yeah, they're not cold, that's for sure. Also, it's worth noting, I always hear this this thunk. I'm almost wondering, because like, you can kind of see I got a little bit of fender roll going on here. Obviously, clearance is not, you know, it's minimal. I'm wondering if I hit bumps and it's hitting something like the liner in there. I wonder if that's making a thunk. Let me know in the comments below what you think about that. That thunk has been kind of bothering me a little bit. I kind of worry about it sometimes, so if you provide me insight on it, I don't know if there are any other Mark 8 owners or GTI owners with the same issue, so that would be helpful. Rears are doing fine. Rears rub a little bit, but it's unnoticeable. And I think it's only over bumps anyways, so. Spinnies are doing alright. Yeah, because I mean, you could see it on the other side too, that same fender roll. Now, while I'm not worried about the fender itself, it's minimal. You'll notice it in certain light, but I'm not like picky like that. I'm almost wondering if that could be an indicator of what the thunk noise is. Like I said, this liner up here, I'm wondering if it's hitting this and causing like a, I don't know, a thud, I guess. But yeah, the rolled fenders is just a small price to pay for good fitment. Now, it is worth noting that I am on BC coilovers, so I don't know if the BCs are just low quality because they are a budget option, of course, and maybe they're loud. Maybe the shocks are busted already. I don't know. Could be preload, could be anything. This car makes a lot of noises though, so let me know what y'all think about that one. And quick taillight showcase here. A lot of people ask me where I get these from. It's pretty simple. I mean, you just look up clear taillights. They are the genuine Euro style taillights. So these things come OEM on, I mean, not cleared, but the taillight style at least comes OEM on the European models. They look a lot nicer. They were designed for the rear of the car. I think the US style ones are just kind of like an afterthought looking thing to me, so this just fits my build better, having the lenses cleared out as well. But I bought them off Euro Tuning. You could check them out. I think they're a lot more expensive than when I bought them because of tariffs, but I managed to secure a set for $700, which is already expensive. You're probably going to be paying well over $1,000 for them now, so. Now, it is worth noting, though, that yesterday actually was the day after the big snowstorm hit us. So I had to deal with the aftermath of everything. The high temperature was only, I think, low 20s. So the snowstorm hit us the night prior, and then in the morning, we had plow trucks working to get the snow and ice out of the road because of the low temperatures. It wouldn't just melt away. By early morning, though, it wasn't quite cleared off right. So I'm driving to work in the morning on like heavily icy roads. It was just, let's just say I made it, but it was very sketchy. They did not grip at all. Like, there was no grip whatsoever. I just had to accelerate really slowly, keep a low top speed the entire way, get beeped at by angry drivers behind me, and then make it to work. And then by the time I left work, it was already dry. The roads were already dry. But that's the main reason why I didn't film, was because it was just so early in the morning and I was tired and it was a day of work. And, you know, I wish I did film for you guys, but, you know, that's my failing right there. So, but yeah, today temperatures are cold, roads are dry, but the summer tires are actually hooking fairly decently. I'm just hoping I'm not damaging them too bad, because, you know, I want to keep these this season. But play stupid games, you win stupid prizes, right? So enough yapping your ear off. That pretty much concludes the topic that I had for the video. But I gotta give you guys some good old exhaust showcases here, right? So let's do that real quick. Now, of course, I gotta roll my seats down. Good enough. Because that way you can hear the exhaust better from the inside of the cabin, and, you know, that's pretty cool, isn't it? And off we go. Wow, that is way louder with that seat down. Oh my gosh. I gotta get one more from second to third. Oh my gosh. Dude, you probably saw my lock-in face there too. I had to lock in for that shift. I miss third all the time, so that's the yeah, that's the problem. Dude, this thing's no slouch for a freaking 4-cylinder cheap Golf. Like, I don't know. It'll probably blow up soon, but I always say that. But it's no slouch. This thing's a blast. There's much faster cars out there, but I'm not rich, so I don't care. All right, I gotta go back home. All right, now after a short hour for me and about a very, very long one for these guys, we are back home. Hopefully I didn't ruin these too much. I maybe had a little bit too much fun, given the certain conditions and given the conditions that these were designed for. However, they actually gripped nicely. That's why you guys watch me, because I do this stupid stuff. Yeah, I don't think I see any cracks on here, but they're covered in salt. So I'm going to do a car wash one of these days, and I'll get back to you on that. Now, before I end the video, let me just go over my exhaust setup real quick. I do have the Club Sport muffler on here. It's another OEM European part. And then I deleted the resonator. Club Sport muffler on the stock exhaust system. I just removed the resonator. So that's pretty much what we're dealing with there. But other than that, this video is effectively over. I appreciate you guys watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below, because it helps me out a lot. So without further ado, peace out. I'll see you guys in the next one.